Okay, here's how you fit the connector on the 2020 multi. You put it into the pegs and align the connector in place on the board, okay? And then from here you solder it in place. I advise a little flux, so the underside of the connector doesn't blob up. This does take a bit of solder. It's quite heavy on solder, sucks it down, but that's good, it's a good connection. Another trick is don't rush. You don't want too much solder, you don't want any missed points. Say go put plenty on, but not too much. See, that's too much. As you see, I'm doing one or two at a time. If there's too much on the iron, I will just dump it on the next pin along to get rid of it. See, that's got too much, so I'll just move it onto the next pin and then go again, and it'll unbridge. See? Nearly done. Quarter to do. Okay, there we go. So this one just needs its TTRs and the rest is done. There we go.